In this video, I'll walk you through how to personalize your supplier portal with the transaction workbench. Make sure to watch our What's New in the Supplier Portal video before you start personalizing. The transaction workbench is a page that displays all your documents like purchase orders and invoices. It has robust filtering capabilities to help you manage your documents and workflows and create different views that work best for you. The first things you will notice are the tiles at the top of your page. Each tile corresponds to a specific filtered view. For example, you want a tile to show you changed orders in the last 30 days. This saves a view that looks for that specific criteria. You can add more tiles by clicking on the settings icon and the plus sign to add additional tiles. When you're viewing the results related to a specific view, you will see the tile underlined in blue. If you'd like to edit the filters for that specific view, you can go to the Edit Filter link. Here, you will see options to filter by customer, creation date, status, and order type. Once you've selected your criteria, hit Apply, and you will be prompted to save the filter. You can also customize your view and choose to display or hide specific columns. Click on the settings icon and check off the columns you'd like to see. Then, click Apply to save your view. Once you locate your document in the transaction workbench, you can process it by clicking Actions. This will bring up options to confirm your order, create invoices, and more. As you can see, the transaction workbench is designed to give you the flexibility to create your own views and customize the portal to work best for you. We hope you found this video useful. For more information on the new Supplier Portal, download the new Supplier Portal Guide.